Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. The omniscient, the omnipresent, the omnipotent, the God of light, the God of sound, the attractive, the enjoyer. On the material platform, things may be completely sinful, are wrong in context, but on the actual spiritual platform, all categories of being may be justified. Religion is not to be divorced from philosophy and sentiment. Those who have actually given over their life to God are to be considered of the renounced order of life. Regardless of occupation, those who merely negate and stop activity shouldn't. Meditation is not blanking the mind. Some temples have as much as 56 types of prasadam, the sanctified foodstuffs. But in this day and age, such temple worship is not required. But it can be extra. Sense control is not ignorance, nor impulsive indulgence. Our material conditions are for constant work. All must serve God in ways beyond choice, but the devotees should willingly serve God as the teacher and provider of love. Priests are as pundits, rulers are as saviors, workers are as possessors. Islamic rule works because the social ethics and spiritual lives of others are allowed. An age of ignorance is known by commonality of marriage being only for sex, and military being only as business. There should be a unity of spiritual teachers. Physical work of anything lawful can be for more than selfishness. Material prosperity relies on family life. War and, I can't read, should not rely war and eating should not merely be for country or family. Types of ritual are more about theology than forms. Beware of treating or calling other than God as if they're deities. A good host will not try to get their guests to violate worship principles. Religious forms are available in order that all may atone. God consciousness is destroyed by eating in excess, hoarding up wealth, and other things too, I guess. Rightful eating can purify sinful effects. Oh, rightful eating and earning. Okay. Uncontrolled speech, fanaticism, an excess accepting of gifts, greed, bad association, rebellion, for its own sake, are against God consciousness. Zeal, confidence, association with the devotees, obedience, satisfaction, compassion, and being active in concern produce God consciousness. Devis only serve God. Asuras want the result of their deeds. We have the freedom towards what side we will be part of. Evil or righteousness. To think that you can become a god or try to compete with God is a spiritual fall. Those who focus on how and whom, how something and to whom is worshipped is more important than what it does for us. But increasing in devotional service will not it won't entangle itself in the ways of the sociopath, I'm sorry, I jumbled my words. It will not entangle itself in the sociopathic ways of the socialist or the psychopathic ways of the capitalist. And what was verse in chapter 16 of the Bhagavad Gita, the text that draws my attention most, or that I thought that I should draw the most attention to, is text 8. Asatyam pratishtam te jangadahurani svaram aparaspara sambhutam kimmanyat kammahetukam. It's unreal. It's without foundation. That's what they're saying of the cosmic manifestation. They're saying it's without a controller, without a cause. It's just arisen. It has no other cause than due to lust. Now, let me remind you that there's a huge difference between lust and love. But existence is with purpose. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Realize beyond mere forms and how they are vibrated. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari.